So hey guys, hello and welcome to our YouTube channel SLR the Universal Hub. So friends, in today's video we are going to create one Chrome extension as a project, and the extension will be like almost all of you might will have. So nowadays almost all of you will have your cell phone. So whenever you try, if you have copied anything in your clipboard and you try to uh, first time type into an input box or text editor or any kind of input box, then you will be automatically get pop up with the uh, copied text which you have in clipboard. Do you want to paste it or in it or not? So today in this video we are going to create similar extension that will work same as what you have experience in your mobile phone. So first let me just give you simple introduction how extension really works. So this file manifest.json, it is the heart and mind of any kind of extension, whether you are developing Chrome extension or Edge extension. In this file you need to define the properties, how if your extension needs some kind of a permission like accessing camera or microphone of the user browser. uh, if you want to access the storage, then you have to tell this manifest.json, I need to do this, please grant me these permissions. And let me uh, give you a little bit of introduction of it. And if you want to know more than little bit of introduction, you can always go to their official website or documentations. So let me give you, so here we got the name, it is the name of your extension, whatever the name you want to give. So let me give this extension name as uh, you might be thinking what kind of a creepy name in this, I'm not very good at naming, so whatever came to my mind I just named it at that. This is the version, what is the version or current version of your extension. Here the description, you can provide the description like this extension will paste clipboard content. Here is the permission. So while developing Chrome extension, there might be chances you want to access the some Chrome API. So Chrome or Edge provides some API using which you can access some properties which are not accessible in uh, window document, whatever you do in your front end JavaScript. Like there is a tab property, you can access the properties of any tab like tab ID. You can close any tab using Chrome APIs or open new tab, and you can also access a different storage for your. You can also monitor the uh, network track, pick up tabs and block and you can also block like any kind of a API hit if that particular API is matching your defined criteria for blocking URLs. This is how your extension which block ads on different website works. So here we got the host permissions. Here you need to define uh, the URL for the website for which your website will going to be work. So here I just give a generic URL pattern. It will work for all the website URLs. Author, you can provide your name or maybe your alias name. Background, so this background.js file will remain running in the background, and it will monitor if user is opening any tab, performing some kind of a action, whether if he is clicking on your Chrome extension icon. You can monitor all this thing using this background.js file. Content script, so this content script, here we got this content script will be able to interact with the content of any browser document. So for example, you are accessing any website like uh, www.github.com. So this content script will be able to change the content of github.com web accessible resources. So let's say for example, you are injecting any style sheet, any JavaScript, or any images in the uh, browser window document, then you had to specify those file in these resources, and here is the matches, and it will only allow to inject those file in those URL will be matching this pattern array, where like whatever URL you will insert in this array. Here we got the action. So default pop-up, pop-up.html. So let me show you. So as you are seeing, here are the extensions icon. When you click on these icon, there there will be some kind of a like document or UI in front of you that will be defined inside this pop-up.html file. Here you can provide the width and height of that particular pop-up, and inside this default icon you need to give like whatever icon you want to show as your extension icon. So I'm not going to change this manifest.json file much, because the extension which we are going to build, it is not like accessing some restricted permission from the users. So we can just plainly go with the flow and start working with our extension. So let me get started with it. So I'm defining if here, so it will be immediately invoked whenever like your document whenever your website will be completely loaded. So let me first show you how you can run local extension in your browsers. So 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 previously I had worked on many of extensions, like 4 to 5 extension are already published on Edge. I didn't publish those on Chrome because like Chrome asks for money for first time registration, but for now Edge is free, so I just go choose Edge due to it. These are some of my extensions. So let me load the extension which we are going to develop now. So before loading the extension, let me tell you, uh, if you want to run your local extension in your browser, then you had to switch on this developer mode. Then it will allow you to load any local extension, and you just after that you just have to click on load unpack, the button which I had clicked previously, the button which I had clicked. So let me search my extension. It is in desktop, Chrome extension. could not. Okay, so I forgot to. I for, sorry from my side. I forgot to create the background.js file. So I mentioned background.js in the manifest.json, but I didn't created the file. Let me create it. Now I think it should be perfectly fine. So our extension is loaded. As you can see, here is the name of our extension, a version, and what the description what I written on it. So whenever like you download an extension or load local extension, a browser will give that extension an unique ID, which is here, which is visible here. So now let's start with the work for the extension. Let me first open up any website. So let me open this bun.sh. Let's just open google.com. It will bun.sh will take more time. So now let's start with the coding part here. So now after writing some code, let's reload our extension. So the code will be refreshed in it. So now let me first copy some text from here. I copied this text and oops, one input editor, and let me test the case which we were talking about, like how it will show you the prompt kind of a text. If you want to copy, so I landed on git so I landed on w3 school website. Now let's check our extension, is it working or not up to the point which we had developed it. Let me copy some random text here. So now let us test our extension here. Let me copy some random text here and now focus on the input type text. Did we got any pop-up or not? I think, let me check the source code. Is there any issue due to which we are not getting the pop-up? What was the name? Think something cute. Copycat. Here's the code for extension. Let me open the content script and let's see what can be the issue here by line. So we got the active element. So let me go with the example here. Let me copy some text again and let's focus inside the input box. So okay, I think we got some issue before this line 6. So let me make cursor here. Mm, Hmm, I think my idea for side interval is not good. Let us experiment with some other idea. I think we should go with the mouse down event handler in here. So let me remove this. So now I am checking the condition when I'm clicking on mouse. So let me refresh my extension first. And refresh W3 skill page. And now let's see. Okay, getting something here. Access denied. Post was there. I think this is not related to our extension. This is internal error for this website. So let me go before here and okay. So it is still not working. What can be the issue here? Why it is not activating on mouse down? Okay, mouse down. so now it is working. No, I don't think it is working. Okay, so I choose the wrong event. Let me I think this set interval was better than mouse down. So mouse down was working only on uh, the like all documents. So if I click down on all document, then only it was working. So that was the issue. And let me refresh it. And for let I focus on it and then check what can be the issue, why our previous condition was not working. So active element, it will be the condition will be true, and let's see to what can be the type. Okay, so for active element we are getting the type as undefined. That was the issue, and value is also undefined. Okay, let so I think there should be iframe title with source. So okay, let us just use this local name property. If it is too much headache, let us just change the interval to for now 15 seconds. So it can be something, no, maybe I think each second should be enough, because it is too frequent for now and I'm not able to debug the code. What can be the issue here? And let me first refresh the extension code here. And now let's refresh the page, and I'm like inside this input box, and let's wait. Now we got this, and now active element should be type of input. And okay, so the issues with this whole w3 website is because it is working inside iframe, and we are not able to get the and our required condition are not meeting, which is a text type of email. Let us visit some other website. So there are some points which I don't have any idea about, like w3 was using iframe, due to which we were facing the issue with our extension, which is not able to meet the criteria which we set to show the pop-up to the users. So these are some little bit of issues which you developer can overcome just by applying some mind or getting some fresh air, but we are not used to it, I think. Let me visit some other website okay, so let's go to its documentation of input. How much difficult it is to find this single input field, bro. Like, all the websites are flooded with it, but we are not able to find it now. Okay, let's just go to dark web of Google. Let's just scroll down more to see the exact one to just. So let's go down some more and scroll down in the Google just to see one input box. Okay, so we got input, if it is really an input box. Okay, so we got here, and the active element, let's see, is it type of input or not. Class name search field. Okay, fine. Okay, yeah, we got the input. Okay, now you are talking, dude. And let's see, we got the type or not. Active element. Okay, we got the criteria value, and here we got, yes, now it is, now you are talking. Now this is how it should be. Okay, so let me, where is that? Here it is, and let me continue, and let's see where. Okay, why we are not got pop-up. Okay, some error again, document is not focus. Okay, this is the issue. How to find input type, Where's the input field, bro? Just give me input field. I just want one input field. So just let me make this more special. Okay, now here we got the input field. Now just simply see is our code working or not. Allow. Active element. Okay, let me okay, so we got some issue here. Let me settle it again, and let me wrap in uh, so let me wrap this condition is also in the conditional jailing, so we don't see this kind of error again. And let's see, is our input field containing the value or not? Where is our value appended in it? Input, no, we didn't got any value. Let me append it as a sibling. So let us just insert adjacent element and now let's refresh our extension again and refresh this page again. Let's just make font size of this text something little bit larger so we can and be able to see if text is really appended or not. Refresh extension and refresh the page again, and let me focus inside this. So insert as this. Okay, got some error here again. Okay, just I think not to check. Let's just go with the previous solution. And refresh. And let's wait for the magic. Is it happening or not? What happened? Remove show copy content. What happened? The whole input box got removed from the page. Okay. So I just called removed on it, so it will remove by itself as well. Remove attribute not child. Let's just write instead of this dot remove. And for now let's comment this line of code for now, so we can see is it really happening or not. Refresh this page, focus inside it. So where's the text? I'm not able to see the text. Let's just explore it something. So here we got the input box. Inside this form field we got label, we got search. Okay. But we got here input and okay, so our content is being loaded in is being appended inside this box. So let us give us some styling to it so it can be visible to us. Position absolute. Is it still not visible? Let make it visible. So let's see how's it working now. Is there any progress or not? Okay, there's progress. And let us make the font size little bit, not little bit, very much little bit smaller, and see how's it going now. So now see how's it be represented to us. It is still big, although let us okay. So I forgot to reload the extension, that is the issue. And again reload the extension and see is magic is happening or not. So again I'm focusing inside the box. Okay, so now it is working. me make the size of the text a little bit more smaller, and let us make like whenever if user before 4 second click on that prompt whatever we are seeing, then the input box should be popped. The input box should be filled with the text which we had copied. So now first let me copy any text here and refresh the extension, and now let's refresh the page. So now let's wait for the magic to be happen. So here we got, and if we click on it, our input box code automatically pop up with the text. And let us make it more stylish. How can we make it more stylish? By CSS. Let us write some CSS. Like it should be eye appealing to the user. Let us give us a border of 1 pixel solid 3, and let us give should we I think size should be width of the prompt should be auto, so it can adjust it by itself. And for the height, I think we should define one max height. Max height should can go up to 50 pixels. Anything else? I think for now it should be enough. Let me refresh the page. So now it should be fine. Let me and now focus on this. So let's say I just focus inside this input search, and now it got populated with the text. And let's see if the cursor remain inside this input box, will it populate with same text again. And like I define the time of 4 seconds. I think that is not happening now, and it is working fine. So we can make the timer little bit more less for the like 2 seconds. And let's see, here we got the text. I clicked on it. Okay, so when I click on the text, it is not automatically like removed from the document. Let us do this as well, and dot remove. So now when the user will click on that particular prompt or text which will be shown to him, the text will be automatically removed from the UI. And let me refresh the Chrome extension. And refresh the page again. I clicked on it and here the magic, baby. So when I clicked on it, the input field got automatically populated and all the values inside, and the prompt and the box which was showing us text got automatically removed from from the UI. So this is the basic designing part of so this is the basic extension designing part. You can enhance it more. I will upload this code on GitHub and will provide the link for GitHub repository in the YouTube description. You can copy the repository from there, and you can reinvent this extension with your imagination. I will also upload this extension by improving it myself on Edge. You can do it for yourself as well, and that is well and good. And if you don't want, that's your wish. But I think, and let me give you one idea how you can improve it. So if you go to Chrome extension documentations, like Chrome API documentations, then you can study about the storage from there. And so currently in Windows you have feature like it will show you a list of past copied content. Then you can choose from it and paste that content in an input box. You can develop same kind of a feature or Chrome extension that will be useful for the user as well. So you might be asking why we have, if window features, then why we need this feature. But like that's only window feature. You can your extension can work in Chrome browser in any kind of operating system. So this is one idea from me. And okay friend, this is it for the video. We'll meet in the next video. So if you like the video, just give your love to me. Bye.